threatening us with, or Mother Nature threatening us with large hail. Hope I ain't got no food in my mouth. I just ate. Ate some ravioli. If you ain't red here, I'm sorry. But, whoa, see it? You catch that lightning? I think oh, shit. Damn. Yeah, Warren County ain't probably, I don't know, way the crow flies probably, I don't know, 4 miles, you know, the county line. I'm in Claremont, Warren. He's got a text on his cell phone, smartphone, that's under a severe thunderstorm warning. Ohio Valley to the Ozark Mountains. I guess that's Arkansas, isn't it? I'm not sure. Anyway, I know, stupid. I ain't been up too long. We're being threatened by possibility of large hail today. I think that's worse than tornadoes. That's, you know, it breaks car windows out. You can imagine what it do to your skull. So I gotta be very, very careful. I'll give you a lightning show if I don't get hit. You know, when you eat rabbit, you know, that pasta, it's got, I call it hamburger in it. Hamburger, and it gets down your throat, so you cough a little bit. I think I got me some lightning. I have to watch this over. I think I got me some lightning on video for the first time ever. Maybe make this a two-parter. If I'm stalling, I'm waiting for some more lightning. Okay. Whoa, there we go. There we go. There you go. Whoa, God. Now this will make for a good vlog, huh? Send this to my dad, too. Get the kick out of severe weather. He's a trained spotter. You can tell there's turbulence up there. Just look at those clouds.